viewers, welcome back to Raji's Cuisine. Today we are preparing a delicious and healthy fried rice recipe. Shall I tell you one secret? Love and patience are the main ingredients in cooking. Let's start the recipe. First we need to cook 1 cup washed and soaked rice. Let it cool and keep it aside. Next, chop 4 green chillies and 1 full garlic nicely. Next, take a pan on the stove. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Chop green chilies. Chop garlic. Mix and add few curry leaves. Then again mix and fry till garlic turns light brown. Now add cooked rice and give it a stir. Now add half teaspoon salt and chop coriander leaves. Again mix very well. That's all. Easy and tasty garlic chilli rice is ready to eat. You can serve this garlic fried rice with raita or any other plain gravy. Thank you for watching this recipe. Happy cooking, happy eating with Raji. For some more mouth-watering recipes, subscribe to Raji's Cuisine. Like, share and comment definitely. Thank you. See you soon.